This is the DJI Mavic Mini. I love this drone. The DJI Mavic Mini is DJI's lightest drone, which means it's so light that you don't have to register to fly it, but you better know what you're doing. The DJI Mavic Mini is small, light, and compact. It starts like this. This is how I head out with it. Then I unfold it. I put the battery in the back. The micro SD card goes in there. I can charge it through here, or I can charge it with a special case that charges 3 batteries in series. Here's a really incredible thing about this. So it's 249 ounces, right? And this is one of the batteries. This battery gives you 30 minutes of flight time, and that's not a joke. I flew this guy with this battery for 30 minutes, and actually because I had the $499 package, I had 3 batteries, so essentially I had an hour and a half of flying time. For DJI Mavic Air users, this probably looks familiar. This is the remote control, and it works basically exactly the same as it does with the Mavic Air. So for the Mavic Mini, it comes with these removable joysticks. You unscrew them, you put them in, they actually store. See that? They store in there. So you use the DJI Mavic Mini remote control with your phone, which slides right into there, and there's a cable that comes with it here. You can see the cable. There's actually a number of cables, so if you're using an Android phone, you can use the proper cable for that. And that plugs right into the side of the remote control here. It's super easy to use. As soon as you power this guy up and power your drone up, they communicate, and you're pretty much ready to fly. So this guy goes 30 miles per hour, but it also has incredible control. Even though it's super light, 249 ounces, it doesn't get blown around by the wind. It holds its own. I mean, I had some pretty breezy days, and it was managing to hold out. Even at 300 feet in the air, it could handle the wind. Let's talk about the camera. So it's a 3-axis gimbal camera, and it shoots up to 2.7K video. Now that's obviously not the 4K that most prosumer drone flyers probably want. For me, I upload generally 1080p video, so I don't really mind. The video looks good. I can obviously take photos as well. I can edit them directly on the phone if I want. I can make sort of pre-built stuff, which is okay. I'd rather edit my own video, honestly. So the app has a bunch of presets on shots. You can do things like a helix and a rocket, and all of those things basically allow you to choose your subject and then have the drone focus on it while it does a maneuver. And it works pretty well. I mean, it's good for if you want to do something really quick with a drone, like maybe you want to get a quick video selfie with a group of people where it's shooting straight up into the sky. It worked effectively for me. Now, if you're flying this indoors, which you can if you get the special 360 covers that come with the more expensive pack, it's as loud as a drone would be normally. But outside, it's not as loud as most drones. In fact, I felt like a lot of people didn't even realize I was flying it overhead, which is kind of nice. You don't need a lot of heads turning your way in your neighborhood if you want to do a quick drone flight to check the roof of your house. Obviously, if you're paying $399 for the Mavic Mini, you must be giving up something. And one of the things you're giving up is obstacle detection. So it has, detectors on the bottom so it can land. I mean, I can have it land basically in my hand. I could, as soon as it takes off, it knows to hover. There's no obstacle detection front, back, side. So it's really up to you to make sure you don't run into things. However, this has such control that I flew maneuvers I've really never tried before with a drone. I flew it through goal posts. I threw it through posts for a sign. I went backwards. I went forwards. And normally I would never try something like that. But between the size of this drone, its steadiness, and my ability to really control it at a very tight level with this remote control, I felt like I was a more expert drone flyer than ever before. Look at this drone. Look at it. It's beautiful.